I'm unpacking the 24-karat gold targets we'll use for the PVD sputtering process.
I'm wiping the target to remove dust so the sputtering stays stable.
I'm locking the gold target onto the cathode, and this is what produces the gold atoms later.
I'm setting up the second gold target for balanced coverage.
I'm making sure the gold targets face the exact spot where the frame will hang. I'm checking the power connectors so the plasma will strike the gold evenly.
I'm running a quick diagnostic to confirm the targets are responding.
I'm testing the vacuum seal to make sure the chamber can reach sputtering pressure.
The gold targets are ready. Now we prepare the frame itself.
This titanium frame just came off CNC milling, no coatings yet.
I'm checking for machining lines we need to remove before coating.
I'm removing burrs so that the gold layer will bond evenly.
I'm evening out the surface to prepare it for cleaning.
I'm cleaning the frame ultrasonical to remove oil and dust.
I'm mounting the frame so it can rotate inside the chamber. Now that the frame is ready, we can load it into the PVD chamber.
I'm positioning the titanium frame so it faces both gold targets.
I'm locking the frame into place so it rotates during coating.
I'm confirming the distance between the frame and the targets is exact.
I'm sealing the chamber so we can begin pulling a vacuum.
I'm pulling the air out so the gold atoms can travel freely.
I'm filling the chamber with argon, and we need this gas to strike the gold.
I'm energizing the gold target steering. They're about to release gold atoms.
The chamber is stable, etertic. The gold sputtering process starts next.
Right now, the gold atoms are starting to land on the titanium frame, and this is the first foundation layer.
I'm rotating the frame to make sure the base gold layer reaches every side evenly.
I'm increasing deposition power so the gold atoms strike the frame with the correct energy. You can see the titanium disappearing. This means the base coat is filling in properly.
I'm activating the second gold target to thicken the layer evenly on both sides. The base PVD layer is complete behind. This gives the frame its adhesion surface for thicker gold.
I'm taking the frame out carefully. This first gold layer scratches very easily.
I'm preparing the frame for electroplating to build a much thicker gold layer. Now I'm immersing the frame in the gold electrolyte, and the real metal transfer starts here.
I'm applying a controlled current so dissolved gold will attach onto the frame.
I'm checking the edges, Craig. They thicken first, so I adjust current to keep the surface uniform.
I'm rotating the frame so gold doesn't accumulate too much on one side.
I'm measuring the gold thickness. It has to reach the exact micron level we need.
I'm lifting the frame failure
Now the gold layer is thick enough for polishing.
I'm rinsing off the plating chemicals to keep the gold clean.
I'm drying the frame so no moisture interferes with the next polishing step.
I'm smoothing out the plating marks to make the gold surface even.
I'm curing the protective coating so it bonds tightly to the gold.
I'm checking for bumps, and if the cloth catches, we must repolish.
I'm verifying the gloss resin. It must match our premium grade. I'm testing scratch resistance to make sure the coating is strong.
I'm scanning for tiny defects, guys. Even one pinhole can ruin the finish.
I'm moving the finished frame to assembly fashion. The gold layer is now fully stable.
I'm engraving the certification so every piece can be authenticated.
I'm adding the detail pattern to Sue. This is the signature of our edition.
I'm removing residue from engraving to keep the gold perfectly clear.
I'm placing the frame into the assembly tray plate. It must stay scratch-free before installing components.
I'm checking the gold-plated frame again before installing the electronics.
I'm positioning the main logic board so it drops into the mounting slots correctly.
I'm pressing the board down gently until every connector clicks. I'm adding insulation to prevent shorts during operation.
I'm mounting the speaker so it fits perfectly inside the gold housing.
I'm sliding the haptic engine into position until it locks.
I'm laying down the adhesive so the battery stays fixed. I'm connecting the battery quantium, that's the main power source.
I'm testing the camera focus before sealing it.
I'm positioning the Face ID module so the cables don't pinch.
I'm centering the coils so wireless charging works efficiently.
I'm mounting the antennas around the gold frame for clean signal.
I'm checking the haptic response. It should feel tight and crisp.
I'm lining up the display so the cable reaches the board perfectly. I'm bonding the display to the frame under vacuum to avoid imperfections.
I'm performing the first boot. Everything should initialize cleanly.
I'm checking the touch panel for dead zones.
I'm verifying gesture responsiveness.
I'm testing the side button to confirm the tactile feel.
I'm testing the microphone sensitivity.
I'm verifying Face ID alignment.
And I'm confirming structural reliability inside the gold frame.
I'm installing the gasket to prepare for water sealing.
I'm testing the water resistance seal.
I'm inspecting the seal for proper compression.
I'm checking shock resistance parameters for this batch.
I'm running the full diagnostic suite. I'm covering the display to protect it before packaging.
I'm setting the phone into its box so it stays secure.
I'm completing the packaging to wool. This unit is ready for shipment.
I'm adding the accessories for the luxury edition set. I'm placing the presentation box inside the protective shipping carton.
I'm sealing the box so we'll know if it has been opened.
I'm preparing the transaction request so you can authorize the payment.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Please comment below with the product you'd like to see.